Getting people to notice a button or a form on your landing page can be a challenge, but with the pop-up element, you can really draw attention to whatever you want your visitors to see. Come check it out. So in the landing page builder, we're going to go ahead and add our pop-up element. We can add it anywhere. Nobody's going to see this until they actually see the pop-up. So over here, I'll show you. We're going to grab the pop-up element. I'll drag it in. Again, doesn't matter where you put it on the page. Nobody's going to see this. I'll show you in the preview. Here we can set the delay, how long it takes for our pop-up to display. And there's some other settings as well. We can change background color, whether we want a medium or a large sized pop-up. Some other things too, like the width of the border and such. Now when it comes to actually putting something in the pop-up, we'll click here. This is what the pop-up will look like when people go to our page. Let's drag in a form. So now there'd be a standard pop-up form. Here we can edit the name and email fields. We can even change around the thank you page that people are directed to after they fill it out. So now when we preview this, you'll see our page. There's a 3-second delay, and then our form pops up. Now we can do more. We can go back to the editor. Let's actually take this out of here. And we'll start over from scratch. We'll add another one in there. And this time, instead of a form, maybe we want there to be, I don't know, let's say a button in there. So we got a bunch of different things we can add to these pop-ups. It doesn't have to act just like a pop-up form. It can act like anything that we want to draw our landing page visitors' attention to. We can even drag a new element over. And if we wanted to, add an image. As you saw, the pop-up element can really help you draw your landing page visitors' attention to whatever content you really want them to see. Try it out for yourself in Aweber today. And if you don't have an account yet, no problem. Sign up, it's absolutely free. Until next time.